Hey guys, so finally we are starting the home builds. So as you see, these are the lots, lot 2 and lot 3. And lot 3 we've already started the excavation. So as you see, the pad is ready. This is where the foundation will go. And we had the professional surveyor come and stake the corners of the house. This is a concrete wash station. So when the foundation gets poured, the concrete truck needs to wash the pump and etc. So this is where they do it. As you see, this is where the garage is gonna be. That's where the main house entry, and yeah, so that's what it is. Let's see how it goes. The foundation is gonna start next week. So this is garage. As you see, these guys actually aligned the panel right on the pin, and so this is gonna be the garage. That's the back bedroom area. So more progress on the foundation. The walls are up, and this side, this is garage. So we are gonna raise this wall higher.